In fact, we are talking about a building where fire was reported. It's a locality called as Jubilee Hills. Efforts are currently underway to douse the fire. Those are the first set of visuals that we are getting for you. Massive fire broke out in a building in Jubilee Hills locality. Local police and fire officials were immediately informed about the incident, and right now efforts are underway to control the fire, to douse the fire. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Shomit joining us live right now for more on this. Shomit, we're getting visuals of this fire. It looks massive. Can you tell us a little bit about how the situation is right now? What led to it?
Well, Hina, massive fire broke out at a closed showroom. This is in one of the posh localities in the Hyderabad city, in the Jubilee Hills. So this is a big showroom, clothes showroom, like I was mentioning, and normally silk sarees and silk clothes will be sold here at this showroom. So initially fire broke out and it spread to the entire building. We can clearly see, massive fire in our visuals putting out for our viewers. So massive fire broke out, and immediately the employees who were working there, they immediately ran out from the building out of panic, and immediately the matter was escalated to the police. The information was provided to the fire brigade. Immediately fire tenders reached the spot in no time, and they managed to bring down the fire in a couple of hours from the time they reached the spot. So fortunately no casualty reported in this incident, but massive fire broke out. Entire closed showroom burned to the ashes, and police stated that, and also fire officials stated that as of now the exact reason behind the fire is yet to be ascertained, and very soon they will be launching an inquiry into it, what exactly went wrong, whether fire safety norms were followed or not, whether NOC from the fire department has been taken by the showroom, or because that's a commercial building, whether they have opted NOC from the fire department or not. All these are the part of the investigation and also the inquiry, and inquiry will be launched very soon is what police and fire officials stated. But as of now, fortunately no no employee or no customer, no person has received any injuries in this incident is what as of now the sources have informed us. And the police stated that very soon investigation will be launched into it, and the fire has been doused as of now, and like I was mentioning, fortunately no casualties reported.
No casualties, nobody got injured. That's the good news coming in. Thank you very much, Shomit. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story.